Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the main component and any instances that matter. Open the file and focus on the component layer. Once located, inspect the instances. Check overrides, nested components, and layer naming so you know what to keep. Next, make a duplicate of the main component. This prevents accidental loss. Make sure to work on the duplicate. It isolates changes while preserving originals. Doing this first saves time later and prevents mistaken global changes that affect other frames. You now detach instances selectively. Right-click an instance and choose Detach Instance so it becomes editable. Once detached, replace nested components with frames or groups that replicate structure. This preserves layout and overrides. Then systematically rebuild any component behavior by converting component variants into separate frames. Link interactions manually if required. If multiple instances exist, work in batches. Change a few, test layout integrity, then proceed. This reduces errors and keeps the file manageable. Finally, confirm every instance displays correctly. Once done, delete the original component and tidy layers. Before permanent deletion, run a file-wide search for leftover references. Use the Assets and Layers panels to find hidden links. Make sure prototypes and interactions are reattached to the new frames. If something breaks, revert to the duplicate you made at the start and reapply the process more selectively. One key troubleshooting tip: if layout shifts, inspect constraints and auto layout settings first. They're usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.